handpicked. Today we are making uluva appam. This appam is made with fenugreek as a base with rice and urad dal. This is my grandma's recipe and I'm so happy that I could get it from my mother and share with you all. This can be taken as a part of breakfast or as an evening snack with coconut and jaggery on the side. We need 2 cups of dosa rice, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds and urad dal. If you're trying this for the first time, you can start with 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. Wash them and soak them well. If you soak them in morning 10 a.m., you can start grinding the batter around 4 or 5 in the evening. I have taken 1.5 cup of grated coconut and 2 tablespoons of rice. We are going to make a smooth batter with these 3 ingredients in grinding in 3 to 4 batches. Add a little water only. The consistency of the batter should be like a dosa batter. But after making the batter, we are also adding half cup of jaggery syrup to this. Jaggery syrup will give a light sweetness to the batter, but always make sure to add very little sweet because when you make the pancake, it can get caramelized to the bottom if you add more sweet. I'm adding half teaspoon of salt and give this a nice mix, and we have to keep this for fermentation overnight or it will take around 6 to 8 hours. Let's keep this closed and keep aside. Next morning around 10 a.m. my batter is fermented so well and it has come all the way up to the bowl. Let's give it a mix. If the batter is thick, you can add some water and make it to this consistency. Today I have just added 2 ladles of water to this. But after that you have to keep it for 30 minutes aside before you start making the pancake. I have transferred the batter to 2 bowls. To one pot I am going to add half cup of chopped plantains and 2 tablespoons of coconut roasted in coconut oil, or you can also use ghee, half a teaspoon of jeera powder or cardamom powder. Mix all this nicely into the batter and keep aside. We are going to start by making the plain appam first. I'm using a cast iron pan for this. It's a kind of slightly deep bottom pan which gives appam slight thickness in the center and it'll be thin to the sides. Keep the flame to medium high, and once you start to see some spots coming, then you can close it and turn the flame to all the way down. It will take around 1 minute to get one appam ready. Like this we can make rest of the appam. Whenever you pour the batter, make sure to turn the flame back to medium high, and once you start seeing the spots, then you can turn the flame back to low and keep it closed. We can also use a regular non-stick pan for this. Only thing, it will come more like a pancake with even thickness. Today I have smeared the pan with coconut oil. We can also use ghee for this. So our uluva appam is ready. It tastes best when served hot with coconut milk and jaggery. It can be taken as a part of your breakfast or as an evening snack. So hope you all try and enjoy this healthy and delicious recipe. If you like this video, please share among your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.